Hi and welcome to the fastest tutorial of how to delete my Facebook account on Android, iPhone and browser. So when you find this content helpful, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like. And when you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. So let's jump right in the tutorial. Now we are in the Facebook home screen. We have to click by the iPhone in the bottom right on menu and by the Android on the bread menu in the top right. And then we switch to the menu page where you click on the arrow down right from your profile picture. And now you see on the iPhone, I have connected many sites and you have to scroll down by the iPhone to the bottom when you see the button go to account center. On the Android, we see only one account. This is when you have only a Facebook account, you see only your account and the button go to account center. So on both iPhone and Android, we have to click on the button go to the account center and then it opens the account center overview. And now we have to click by the iPhone and Android on the personal details. When we see the personal details, you have to click on the account ownership and control. Then you see the button deactivation or deletion. You have to click this. And then on the iPhone, you see I already also connected Instagram or linked Instagram to my Facebook account, but we want to delete the Facebook account. So you have to click on the Facebook. And by Android, I only have the Facebook account. I click on the Facebook account button. So now Facebook asks you again, you want to deactivate your account so nobody sees you, but you can still use the messenger from Facebook, or you have the option to delete the account. So click the last one, delete the account. And on the left side by the iPhone, you see the pages and Facebook tell you you lost the login to these pages. So be careful when you delete your Facebook account, you lose the logins from these sites. So you have to scroll down when you're sure and click continue on Android and iPhone. And then we see Facebook want to know why you leave Facebook. I recommend to click the last one. I no longer find Facebook useful. So this is the shortest option. Choose this one and click continue. And then Facebook tell you don't leave from Facebook. So we click continue again. And now we see the things what happened when you delete your account permanently. You can read this. So I skip this for now. And now you have the option to continue again. So Facebook want to be sure that you to delete your Facebook account. So when you click continue, you have to type in your password. When you type in your password and click then continue, Facebook want to delete your Facebook account for you, but still waiting 30 days when you can log in Facebook and reactivate your account when you change your mind. But after the 30 days, you lost completely your Facebook account. So now we are on the browser, already logged into the Facebook account, and you see your profile icon in the top right. You click on this and then you see settings and privacy, click on this. Then you see settings, click on this. And now you have the settings and privacy overview. And in the middle left, you see the account center, and there you click see more in account center, and from there you have the overview of the account center, and there you have to click on the personal details, then click the button account ownership and control. The next button we have to click is deactivation or deletion, and you see I already connected the Instagram to my Facebook account, but we only want to delete the Facebook account. I click on Facebook on my Facebook account, and then Facebook asking me deactivate the account or delete the account. We say delete the account. So choose this option, press continue. Facebook asks again for the Oculus when you have connected the Oculus VR to your Facebook account. So press continue here again. And then you see your connected Facebook sites, and Facebook tell you you lost the admin of these pages and you can log in anymore in these pages. Please press the button continue. Then you see before you delete, we may be able to help, and you have to choose an option. For the fastest way, we click I no longer find Facebook useful. Choose this option, press continue. Then you see another information, and Facebook want to get sure that you want to delete your Facebook account. Press continue, and then Facebook tell you what happens when you delete your Facebook account again. So you can read this, and now we scroll down and press continue again. And here in the last steps, Facebook asks for my password. I have to type in my password to delete this account. So Facebook make already sure that you want to delete your Facebook account. Press continue, and then Facebook confirm that your account will be deleted in 30 days. You have two buttons, cancel and delete account. When you press delete account, you have 30 days to reactivate your account. And when these 30 days are gone, you can no more longer log in your Facebook account because it's delete. So now the tutorial is completed, and I hope you successfully deleted your Facebook account. When you have any questions, so let me know in the comments. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. This will help me, and give this video a like. Thank you very much and see you again.